So yeah, picked up the DJI Action 3. Need to up the quality of the content, and I'm just testing it out right now. Can't remember off the top of my head what I have it set as. Can't remember off the top of my head what I have it set as, but I know it's 2.7K. I think it's at 60 frames a second. So we're gonna see how it goes. I know the mic's fine, but I want to see the video quality on this. I'm gonna try testing it out for a couple of days now, and we'll just see. 2.7K here, 4K there, because I know it has the capability for 4K, but I don't think my PC is able to properly edit videos in 4K. Right? Oh, I know it can. It's just gonna take a long time. So I'm gonna try and test out a couple of different ways before I get to that point. So in this video, it's not really a motovlog, it's just a test to see how the quality of the camera is. Just really excited to put this to use. Been wanting a decent action camera for a while. Don't get me wrong, the Akaso Brave 4, like I said in one of the posts, I think like a week ago, it is an amazing action camera, but I need to up the quality and of my videos and my content, and the video portion of it is something that needed a lot of work. So let me know what you guys think of these settings, and if I should continue with this or should I continue with another setting. If you guys actually use hold up. Oh, hold up. I'm gonna go on the other side. Be easy on this side. Yeah, this will be much easier. Let me know what you guys think. How's the quality of the camera? I'm trying to see if it's any good. I have on the rock form with the wide, so shouldn't be too shaky. I think it's still recording. It's recording? Yeah, it's recording. Hell yeah. I'm really excited. Let's just pray that this thing lasts and doesn't break or anything. I could use it for 3+ years. Like I had the Akaso for back when I had the Mustang. I just didn't use it much until I got the motorcycle. Dude, the smell of gas in the morning smells great. I know it's bad for you, but there we go. How much was it? $11. Not that bad. Okay, stop right here for now. And yeah, what do you guys think? You might be able to see the Marauder in better quality. I have some videos of it with the phone, but honestly I think this quality might be the best that I have. Oh man, I burned through the heat wrap again. Shit, I might just remove that. Alright, I'm gonna end this here. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, comment down below if you guys think this is a good setting, or if there's another setting that you recommend. I'm completely new to the DJI world and how this camera works. This is like the first test. So if you guys have used this for motovlogs or other stuff, please do comment down below. I would love to hear, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alright, I'm now gonna go record some IG reels and stuff with this, because I've been slacking on there. Alright, catch you in a bit.